get up, get dressed, and come outside.
Okay, bye. Hey.
Yo, there's something special for you today.
Really? Okay, what is it?
It was the waterfall.
What waterfall?
Waterfall.
Where are you going?
Isn't this amazing? Yes, it is.
Colton, I have a question.
What is it, Taylor?
Why can't you live with your mom instead of your dad?
I don't know. I really want to live with my mom because then I could get to see you more.
I wish you could.
But if I stay living with my dad, I just don't see how this relationship will work out. Because long distance relationships will kill you. It's okay. You can lean on me.